Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a PDF on mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is super useful, and the good thing is there are multiple ways to do it. So in order to create a PDF file on your mobile, you have to follow these steps. First, we're going to use the Google Drive app. If you haven't installed it already, go ahead and download it from the Play Store or App Store. One of the easiest ways to create a PDF is by scanning a document. To do this, open Google Drive and tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Scan and point your camera at the document. Once the scan is complete, you can make a few edits if needed. After that, tap Done in the top right corner and save the file as a PDF. This way, you've successfully created a PDF by scanning a document. The second method is by using a photo. Again, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner and upload a photo or take a new one using your camera. Once the photo is uploaded, open it and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Print. At the top, make sure the printer option is set to Save as PDF. You can also choose the page orientation if needed. After that, tap the PDF button and select where you want to save the file. Your photo will now be saved as a PDF. The last method is for text documents. If the document isn't already in Google Drive, upload it first. Tap on the three dots next to it, select Print, and then repeat the same process as we did for photos. As you can see, creating a PDF on your mobile is very simple using Google Drive, whether it's a scanned document, a photo, or a text file. And that's it. So that's basically how you can make a PDF on mobile. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.